This may be the last time we have Chris in the winner's circle. He could win a car now and say goodbye on Classic Concentration. So we want to clear up something that he touched upon on yesterday's program, and that has to do with how he met his wife. He indicated that he had sort of picked her up in a bar in San Francisco. It didn't exactly happen that way, right?
Right, right.
You were introduced by another lady.
Her roommate.
Yeah, okay.
And
so it wasn't like I'm just walking into a bar and, hey, babe, let me buy you a drink.
no.
But close.
It was very close.
Okay. I predict that Chris Gardner, our champion, who has had a few goes here in the winner's circle, will win the car. And he will do it, even though he has a minute, 10 seconds. He will do it in less than 3/4 of 1 minute. That is my prediction. His sister, L.A., reacts in a semi-positive manner. All right. Thank you, L.A. You're going to get excited in a moment because he's going to win it. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Chris. Now, don't make me out to be a liar. 70 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. 4, 11.
Right.
13, 14.
No.
5, 14.
No.
15, 8, 9, 10. 7, 9.
Right.
6, 15.
Yes.
3, 8. 5, 12. 14, 13. 10, 5. 2, 14.
Yes.
1, 3. 12, 10, 8, 10, 12, 12,
Yep.
5, 13,
Yep.
10, 3.
Yep. Well, you made me out to be a liar, but you're right.
If there's a bustle in your hedgerow, don't be alarmed now. It's just a spring clean for the May Queen. Yes, there are 2 paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the road you're on.